Welcome to Marti Academy. We provide high-quality, industry-relevant education, helping students excel through hands-on learning and real-world projects. About Marti Academy. Marti provides the opportunity to learn the skills and gain the confidence required for technical industry standards. Participants will have the opportunity to learn effective technical courses along with the real-time project implementation method. Marti's approaches to the technical skills training are extremely effective and participants will get a solid introduction to how and why this is so. By the end of this program, participants will have gained key skills, applied project-based methods in workplace scenarios, practiced coaching techniques, and explored emotional intelligence. At Marti, our program is designed not just to teach skills but to empower individuals with the knowledge, experience, and emotional intelligence required to excel in their careers and make a meaningful impact in their workplaces. About Nooran Ansari. Nooran Ansari has more than 15 years of IT technical experience working for various global MNCs. He has more than 15 years of experience in various major technology which managing large transformation programs for top clients across verticals such as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, telecom and others. Nooran is a certified brand name with corporate leaders in terms of project development in various horizons. He also provides technical-led and training services. He is passionate about writing and motivational speech. His motto in life, making a positive difference with empowering people with knowledge. Tableau offers a suite of tools for powerful data visualization and analysis. Tableau Desktop enables quick, offline data exploration with a drag-and-drop interface. Tableau Public allows users to create and share interactive dashboards publicly for data storytelling. Tableau Server provides a secure, enterprise-level platform for sharing and collaborating on dashboards with controlled access. Tableau Reader lets users open and interact with Tableau Desktop files offline. Tableau Online delivers cloud-based access to dashboards anytime, anywhere. The course also includes integration with the top 5 AI tools, including ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini, to enhance data insights and automation. Tableau Prep simplifies data cleaning, formatting, and transformation for analysis-ready outputs. Alteryx empowers users to uncover insights with an easy-to-use platform, integrating seamlessly with Python and R for advanced data processing, predictive modeling, and statistical analysis. Together, Tableau and Alteryx streamline data preparation, analysis, and visualization, offering powerful online integration for end-to-end analytics solutions. Let's discuss the course details in depth. Learn Tableau fundamentals, history, versions, architecture, and key components like desktop, server, reader, online, and public. Understand Tableau extensions, their types, and .twb versus .twbx formats. Master data connections, live and extract, data joins, custom SQL, and rules for joining. Explore data blending, its types, when to use it, and the difference between joining and blending, plus techniques for writing and data refresh. Explore Tableau's environment, navigation, file types, data types, and design flow. Learn about data sources, custom views, metadata editing, joins, blending, and data extraction. Master calculations including numeric, string, date, table, and LOD expressions. Work with worksheets, adding, saving, deleting, and reordering them. Understand sorting and filters like quick, context, and top filters. Dive into Tableau hierarchies, drill downs, roll-ups, and creating custom hierarchies. Learn to create a variety of Tableau charts like bar, line, pie, scatter plots, tree maps, Gantt charts, and dashboards. Understand formatting, forecasting, and trend lines. Master aggregation and disaggregation, when and how to use them. Explore filters on dimensions, measures, wildcards, context, and global levels. Dive into groups and sets, their types, usage, and limitations. Strengthen your skills with Tableau calculations like index, rank, running_sum, window_sum, and advanced string, Boolean, and date calculations. Learn to create and use parameters for dynamic interactivity in Tableau. Master dashboards, worksheets, workbooks, and stories, along with key components like horizontal, vertical, image, text, and blank elements. Build custom charts such as waterfall, donut, funnel, and word clouds. Explore publishing workbooks, managing sites, migrating across environments, server-level commands, Postgres SQL reporting, backups, and performance monitoring. Get hands-on with Tableau prep steps like input, cleaning, pivot, aggregate, and join to prepare data efficiently. Learn publishing and sharing workbooks to Tableau server and online, creating extracts for large datasets, and scheduling data refreshes. Understand Tableau server environment, user permissions, security, and automation. Master best practices for dashboard design, ensuring clarity, consistency, interactivity, and responsiveness across devices. Optimize performance by minimizing complex calculations, reducing filters, and limiting excessive visualizations for faster, cleaner dashboards. Meet our expert team, ready to provide top-notch technical support and guidance for all your needs. Feel free to visit our institute for in-depth information, personalized one-on-one discussions, and tailored guidance. Our team is available to assist you with any questions or details you need to enhance your learning experience and ensure success. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and information. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please visit the provided website. You are also welcome to visit the Institute for one-on-one discussion.